Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Accountancy. Right now we are with another topic, that is cash discount in journal, how it is to be treated in the journal. Cash discount. First of all, cash discount that is allowed only when the payments are received. Payment might be received in cash, or it might be received through check, or it might be some other digital form of payment. Fine. In that very case, you get cash discount. How to avail this cash discount, how to record this cash discount, we are going through that particular case. Here it is talking about delimited purchase 25 pieces of list price 2000 per piece from P Limited, and we have to journalize in the books of D Limited. So in the books of D Limited, how these transactions are to be recorded in journal. First of all, to record in journal, we will have the date, particulars, its format, that is date, particulars, LF, ledger folio, debit with what it has to go, credit with what it has to go. That is the complete format of the journal is to be followed here. So first of all, we are given in the question that D Limited has purchased 25 pieces of list price 2000. So what is the total purchase value, that is 25 multiplied by 2000, we got our value of rupees 50,000, which he has purchased at a trade discount of 10%. Trade discount which is allowed on the bulk purchase. Here 10% of 50,000 gives you a value of rupees 5,000, right? Trade discount, as it is allowed on the quantity, bulk quantity purchase. So here out of the total list price valuation, 10% is deducted. So how much is the purchase value here? That is 45,000. Now in this 45,000 rupees, he says that cash discount of 2% would be allowed only if he makes a payment within the 15 days of the transaction. So first of all, it meant that here no payment is received on the date of the sale. So what transaction is to be passed on the date of the sale? This D Limited have incurred an expense by making a purchase of the goods. So debit all expenses, purchases account has been debited. And from whom the goods have been purchased, that is from P Limited. So P Limited is credited because he is the giver here. So entry becomes purchases account debit to P Limited account. Being goods purchased is the narration here. For the value we have purchased the goods, that is 45,000 debited and also credited. Debit goes in front of the debit return value and against the credit also. The date is not given to us, so first transaction is done. Now there are three cases to this transaction. First case, if D Limited paid after 1 month of this purchase, in that very case, if the payment is made after 1 month, that means on the payment date, there was a condition, if within 15 days payment is made, then only 2% discount, cash discount is there. Now the payment is made after 1 month, so no cash discount is available. So when this D Limited is making a payment, cash is going out, so cash is credited. To whom it is making a payment? To the P Limited. P Limited is the receiver, that's why he is debited. But the payment is made after 1 month, so no amount of cash discount is written over here. The point goes along, cash discount is given only if the payment was made within the 15 days. Now B point, if he says, these are like the different cases, if he says that the payment is made on the 14 days, that means within the 15 days payment is made, then there would be cash discount of 2%. So what happens? P Limited is made a payment. How much payment he is talking here about? That is out of 45,000, 2% discount is availed. How much was payable to P Limited? That was 45,000. We asked him that he should allow us 2% discount. Why? Because payment is within the 15 days. So 2% of 45,000 becomes here 900 rupees. How much payment was made? 44,100. With what value cash is moving out? 44,100. But we had to make a payment of 45,000, and you know, as per the dual concept, debit should always be is equals to credit. Here the credit value is less with how much rupees? That is rupees 900, which shows the value of the cash discount here. Here discount account is credited because here discount is received by the firm. The D Limited have received discount on payment of cash. When you have to pay 45,000, you paid less. In that very case, discount is received. Why it is credited? Credit all incomes and gains. That's why it is credited. Or ultimately, here the payment is made. So we will say being cash paid and cash discount allowed received and discount received. Fine. So this is the case number B if it would have happened. Now the case number C, where he says ki if the payment was not made in full. If the payment is not in full, whether he has settled his half payment within the 15 days and about rest half payment he is silent. So here out of 45,000, half is paid. That means what? P Limited received 45,000 half is 22500. For this point, 45,000 half 22500 was paid to him within 15 days. So now this particular half amount will receive a discount of how much value? That is 2%. When we multiply 22500 into 2%, we get a value of rupees 450. So there is a discount of rupees 450 here, right? So how much payment would be made? 22050, 22,050 rupees payment is made, and discount received amount here is with rupees 450, right? So after making a payment, we have settled the account only with half. We received a discount of rupees 450 here, and the narration would again be being cash paid and discount received. About the other half, question is silent, so we will not make any other entry here. So this is the case of the cash discount. First of all, from the transaction, trade discount is reduced. After reducing the trade discount, we go on reducing with the cash discount. Thanks for the doing. Accountancy. Like, share and subscribe. If you have some particular topics to talk about, kindly get them into the comment box. Thank you. Keep scoring.